Hello, Mr. Smith and family. Got my companion here with me today. This is my testimony for you. So before COA, I didn't have a business. I only had two pretty diplomas on the wall, coaching diplomas, and I didn't really know how to transform those into a business. Like I knew what niche I wanted to pursue, but I didn't know how to turn that into a business. The thing that stopped me from jumping into COA sooner, because I stalked you for 3 years almost. It was money. It was always money. Single mom, working part-time, so money for me was a really roadblock. But now that I had the business and now that I speak to people, I know that money is irrelevant because I didn't have the money, but I found the money because I wanted it so badly, because I knew that I needed it so badly. And so that's what stopped me from jumping into COA sooner. The things I have accomplished, because I jumped into COA, clients on automation. Oh my God, I just like mainly the transformation in me. I think from being shy to put myself out there to speak to people and to I think just like know that what I have is very important to help people, to save life and to change them. And it I don't know, I just got so much value out of it. So many skills that I learned. The technical part of COA, learning how to do funnels, learning how to do Facebook ads, learning all these little things that you don't have an idea when you jump into a business that you need to learn all these things. I don't know, the amount of skills that I learned are so invaluable, unbelievable, but mainly the transformation in me. So from not having a business to I started to earn money from my coaching within the first year, pretty much. That was amazing. That makes me believe that what I had was really, really real, and um, it could make a living out of this. Even though last 2 years have been a bit tricky for me, I'm just pumping this year like crazy, and I got big goals that I want to achieve, and I know it's possible because I've done it before. So since I joined COA, and I started to put myself out there and I started to build the business, not only starting to earn money out of it, but also I've been invited to podcasts, I've been invited to interviews, I've been invited to speak. So yeah, it's been big. It's been really big, and it keeps coming. I've been recommending My program is being recommended by doctors. My Facebook group is being recommended by other people. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. I think for me, what's really done COA and my progress into coaching is the family, the COA family, the community that you have built. Because the support that we get from each other, the inspirations that we get from each other, the help that we get from each other, I don't think that I can get that from any other program. I don't think so. Apart from all the support that you give us, not only with you live coaching eh, twice a week, but the rest of the team, the support that they give us, the group that you created, is just a constant pumping of questions and answers and solutions, and It's so good. The community that you created, it's just amazing. I don't think any other program will have that. But for me, what really sold me into COA was you. You it because of how humble you are and how cheeky you are and how down to earth and the knowledge that you have and the desire and the love that you have to help other people. That is what really sold me into COA. And whatever I go after that, or the learnings that I got after that, it was just a bonus. It was just a bonus. So I truly recommend anybody that wants to join the COA family, join the program, just to do it with your eyes closed, because the value that you're gonna get is just unbelievable. Unbelievable.